Need to replace the battery in your 2016 Mazda 6 key fob? It's a straightforward process. First, locate the release tab on the side or back of the fob. Press or slide this tab to disengage the internal latch. This allows you to split the case open. Gently pry the two halves apart using a small screwdriver or a specialized key fob opening tool. Be careful to avoid cracking the plastic. Inside, you'll find a CR2032 battery held in place by a metal clip. Remove the old battery, noting the polarity positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Reassemble the key fob. Ensure the case snaps back together securely. When working with your key fob, use a static-free environment to protect the electronics. Isopropyl alcohol can be used to clean the battery contacts if needed. Battery life typically lasts 2 to 4 years. To reduce waste, consider using high-quality, rechargeable CR2032 batteries. If the fob doesn't work after replacement, you may need to reprogram it. While DIY replacements save money, avoid using excessive force to prevent damage to the casing. Looking ahead, Mazda is expected to integrate NFC and Bluetooth into smart key fobs, potentially reducing reliance on physical batteries. Also, environmental regulations are pushing for more recyclable materials in key fobs.